Hello everyone, today we have a 2010 Toyota Sienna. Has a legendary Toyota V6 in it. Sounds smooth, so I'll go ahead and take you for a tour. Let's have the alloy wheels. Just a sneak peek of the inside. Go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. See that you have two captain's chairs in the second row. 3 seats across the back. And you can pull these sunshades up in the back. Go ahead and give you a shot of the van right there. We look down, we see that it has 71,272 miles on this vehicle. And the lights are on. We can go ahead and turn that to off. Come over here, here's your climate controls right here. And you will notice that we do have heated seats in the front. Here's your shifter right here. And your power supplies, additional power supplies, additional stowage down here. Your stereo. As you see, you do have AM, FM, and a CD. Then you can connect your phone via auxiliary cord. And there is additional power. Let's see, we got your glove compartment over here. As you come down, you're going to have your cup holders and additional storage in here. And up top, you're going to have your sunroof and your entertainment package. And then up here, you've got your conversation mirror, map reading lights, and then your compass and your thermostat that they don't really flicker to the human eye. That's just a refresh rate of my camera that's making them look like that. All right, so that about wraps it up for the interior of this Toyota. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact here up front. The airbags deployed, but there was no structural damage. So we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.